Hey y'all, it's Mary and it's Christmas Day, y'all. This is the Advent calendar for the 25th of December, which is Christmas Day. Yay, it's here and I'm so excited and I hope that you're having a wonderful Christmas Day. And if you see this after Christmas, I hope you enjoyed your holiday. I have two Advent calendars that I'm opening today and or the last day that I'll be opening, 25 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar from Macy's, and that is right here. And let me open this one, and this is the last spot available, y'all, and it is right here. And there is a tab to push on, which I'm really bad about doing that well. Oh, it's the cutest thing, y'all. Oh, let me, whoops. Look at that, y'all. This is Caroline Herrera. That is, if you can see it. It's a perfume. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. Now that's a day 25. That's a Christmas item. Look at how beautiful that is. It's a shoe. I'm not holding it very well. I apologize. It's a big, fabulous high heel. Look at that heel on that. And it's like, looks like, it feels like plastic. Looks like glass. Let me see what the name of it is. It's Good Girl Eau de Parfum. And it is Carolina Herrera. I knew that when I saw the shoe. And let's open it up and see what it smells like. So this is how it opens. It twists open. Oh, it's nice. This is the kind of perfume I like. It's spicy. It's got some spice to it. I don't think it says on here the notes. But country of origin is Spain. Wow. Now, Macy's, I think, y'all, this calendar was top notch. I really enjoyed it. Oh, that smells wonderful. I really enjoyed this. Thank you so much, Laura the Bargain Hunter and Cece's Trail Size Life, for sending me this fabulous Advent calendar. It made my December. It really did. Look at that, how sharp that is. I love that. Woohoo! Love that. And I just thought this was a great calendar. I've seen a lot of different calendars. There have been some wonderful calendars out there. But this was really, really good, and I really enjoyed it. And thank you, ladies, so much. And thank y'all for watching. I do have also the cat advent calendar, and I am going to, after this, when I'm done showing you the calendar, I'm going to go over the rules again and give you some information about the Christmas treasure hunt. So if you'd like, I'm going to show you what's in the calendar, and then if you'd like to stay for that part. If you have everything down pat, you don't need to, you don't have to. So let me show you. Today I do have some items for the treasure hunt, and I'm going to give you the perfume from yesterday, and now I forgot, was it Cacharel? I just put the box down here so the name's on here. I can't see it on this bottle for the life of me. It is Cacharel, yes, Cacharel, and it's a beautiful little bottle. And this one, it smelled very sweet, like brown sugar. So if you like that kind of scent, you'll like that. If you don't like that kind of scent, it's a pretty little bottle to sit on your dresser anyway. And then we are adding I have a special gift here, and this is a watch from the company Monroe, and it's very beautiful. It has a rose gold dial, and it has a, leatherette. This isn't leather. Well, you know what? It could be. I don't know. Hey, it's genuine leather. It says so right there. I wasn't thinking that it was. Genuine leather. This I got from Fab Fit Fun a time or two ago. So this is how it goes, and it's adjustable. It's an adjustable wrist, whatever you want to call that. Very, very pretty. They valued this at quite a bit of money, $115 or $120 or something, and it comes in this nice case. And then also we have Halos earrings. These are very beautiful. This opens like this, very pretty box the way it opens. And let me just take them out. They do set nicely in this black velvet. And these are hoops. These are gold hoops. Of course, they're not real gold, but you see how they, this clicks up, and then it sets back down and it snaps into place. They're beautiful hoops. These were all the rage when I got them. I got these from Goldie Boxed. Halos, they're called. And that is our Advent calendar, the last of what's going into our Advent calendar But today, I don't know. There may be other things today if there's other videos that go up today. I don't think there are other videos going up today because it is Christmas Day. That's right. This is the only video today. So this stops now. And I will give you, let me show you the cat calendar and then I'll give you the instructions. Here is the cat calendar. It's about wiped out. There's just one spot left and I don't know where the boys are. They just are not here. Maybe they'll come by when I open this. Oh, goodness gracious. Almost took my nail out with that one. Oh, this is cute. The last item for day 25 is this cute squishy ball. This is, we had something else with a red fabric like this. So it looks like there's sequins, but there's not. So sequins, I would say, would be unsafe for a cat and a dog too, probably. But these are not sequins. It's part of the fabric, if you can see that. So it is safe for a cat. It's just squishy. It's very lightweight. It's a, you know, it's a nice thing for a person too. Like we've talked about that. There's been some really good fidget items in here as well. It's just a nice ball. Here comes Smudge. You gonna come see it, Smudge? What do you think? That's the last day. He's right over here, but I don't know if he'll come over. It's cute. It's got, it's just cute. It doesn't have a jingle or anything. What do you think? Well, come on and see it. And then I will come back with instructions again for the people if you need a follow-up of instructions and also maybe a few hints. Okay, Smudge. Smudge. Okay. Okay. I'm back with instructions and you see I have changed. So it took me a little while to count everything up. And I will tell you this, y'all. I am not the organized person I used to be. I used to be very, very organized, and that's not true anymore. So when I have made some of my videos, I did not write it down. So this is what I think is the case. So please forgive me. If you have more than what I tell you there should be, then you know, then I'll make a correction somewhere in the near future. If somebody sends me something and I'm like, well, wait a second, wasn't there something in such and such a video? I believe there are, out of the 25 Advent Calendar videos, I believe 10 of them have an item in them. Now, when I say this too, when I say an item, I also mean it could just be whatever's in the video. Some videos have more than one item, but I don't like show you at the beginning, I show you one, at the end I show you another necessarily. I don't do that. So I show you, if there's a grouping of items, they'll be together in the video. So I believe there's 10 in the Advent Calendar videos, and I believe there's 11 bonuses in the other videos that I have done through December 1st to December 25, okay? On December 25, which is today, this is the only video you'll see from me. So you don't have to worry about that day. And again, there may be groupings of things, but I show it to you at the same time, okay? So today's video is the only video that you'll have to know what's in it for today. So again, the rules are always the same. They're in my description. This has nothing to do with YouTube. I bought all of these items myself, all of the products, no matter what the brand. It has nothing to do with those brands. It just has to do with me. If you're allergic to anything that is not on me, please read and look at every product to see if it's something you could be allergic to. If you are not sure or if you have problems, then do a patch test first. I'm not responsible if you get sick from it. I sure hope you don't. I will get a tracking on this. You should be 18 years or older. You should have a continental United States address. I will get tracking when I give it to the post office, and then it's out of my hands, and the responsibility is out of my hands. I have not ever had any items, any boxes lost, so knock on wood that doesn't happen. And you should be able to get your package. And since this will go out after the new year, so it shouldn't be, you know, with their cramped, you know, mailing. But I must say, compared to last year, y'all, or not compared to anything, the mail's been fantastic this year for me. I've gotten my boxes, I've gotten my letters and things from the post office. Now, some of the other services, not so great, but that's not just now because it's Christmas time. That's all the time. Like DHL, forget it. It takes forever. I still haven't gotten my Ipsy Plus, which usually comes mid-month or so. I still haven't gotten it. So, and that's through DHL, but I don't think that it's DHL's fault in this case. Ipsy just never dispatched it. So I'm still talking to them about it. I did ask them about it, and I think that they forgot to dispatch me, honestly. So hopefully I'll get that well, I don't know if I'll get it before the end of the year. I may have 2 bags in January. So I will show you when I get it. And I do like the bag. That's one of my favorite my favorite subscriptions. It's my favorite makeup subscription, I will say that. I like to be able to pick 3 out of the 5 items. So that is what I believe is in the box, and it's a medium priority mail box, and it's pretty full. So again, if you don't tell me the bonuses, you won't get the bonuses. If you don't want all the bonuses, don't mention all the bonuses. I would love for whoever wins this box to win every single thing. That's what I would like. So, so you have to name all of the items in the advent calendars, and you have to say the day. So for example, day 1, shampoo. Day 2, if there's nothing in there, you don't have to say nothing. You don't have to even write the number 2. You just have to write the day, the number of the day, the numbers, and what correlates with that number. And that has to be correct for me to consider your name to go into the bucket. And then on that same list, you'll write all your bonuses. So if you win, you'll get all the items in the advent calendar, and you'll get the bonuses that you've named. So like I said, I would love to see more than one person. I'd love to see a bunch of you name everything. That would be fantastic. So now this is the only video that this is going to happen in. So I don't want you to worry about other videos. Like I said, if I show you an item, or if I show you a bonus item, if I show you a grouping of items, they'll be together. Now I showed you some items earlier that are for Christmas Day. I'm also, because there's a little bit of space left in that box, I'm putting in a Sponge Gel Hand Defense. This is wonderful. This smells fantastic. This is what it looks like. It's round. Oh my goodness, their stuff smells fantastic. It is fantastic. This particular sponge gel is for your hands. It's fantastic if you work outside. It's fantastic for a man if he'd use it. This says revive with thyme, thyme, T-H-Y-M-E, and tea tree oils. So it says more effective at removing germs and dirt than soap alone. I don't see why you can't use it on your body, because these ingredients would not bother my body. That's dermatologist tested and all that good stuff. But of course, you do what you want to do. This is meant for your hands. It says that there's 40 plus hand washes in here. So that'll be, another item. So this is the only video that I have them separated out. And that's just because it took me a while to count everything. And that's why I'm in a different clothing. And by the time I got it all counted and in the box, I have a little bit of room. So, okay, I hope that you all have enjoyed this. It's been lots of fun for me. I love talking to y'all in the background, like, well, Mary, what do you mean by blah, 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 blah? So I hope everybody understands. We'll see as your lists come in. If there's no understanding, then we'll figure something else out. And keep your pad of paper, because tomorrow starts a new giveaway. From the 26th to January 6th, there's the 12 Day of Beauty. It's the Macy's 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar, and I will be opening that every day. This is from Cece's Travel Size Life and Laura the Bargain Hunter. They sent me the 25-day Macy's calendar, and I'll be opening this one also, and I'm excited about it because the 25-day was really wonderful. I thought it had great items in it. Really, I was not disappointed with any day. Now, there might have been an item or, some items that I can't personally use, but I thought it was a fantastic calendar. Again, I thank Laura and Cece. I thank them every day. They're probably getting sick of it, but I really thank them. And we're doing another where you will tell me. You watch the videos. They're going to go up at noon every day, just like this past. And there may or may not be a bonus. There may or may not be an item in there. And then through December 26th to January 6th, if I have other videos going up those days, there may be a bonus item in there. So the same thing, you have to know what's in the 12-day advent calendars to have your name be put into the bin, the bucket, the Christmas bucket, and then the bonus items are just that. They're bonuses if you're interested in them. And that is it. So count your blessings, everybody. So good to see you on this Christmas Day. Don't worry if you didn't see this on Christmas Day. You've got a few days to worry about things. Like I said, I do know, I've heard from a few friends that their power was out here and there. So if you have any troubles like that, we'll see how it goes. We'll see what I hear from people by the 28th, which is going to be 26th. It was going to be Wednesday, midnight Central Time. Count your blessings, everybody. I hope you enjoyed your Christmas holidays, your other holidays. Hanukkah was going on during this time as well. And I think that's over. I could be wrong. I think it ended already. I'm not real sure what the days were. I saw when it started, but I didn't. It goes for 8 days. So it may still be going on, but I sort of think it's over. Yes, Smudge, come on up if you want to. Anyway, count your blessings, everybody, and so good to see you all, and happy holidays. And soon it will be 2023. Can you believe it, y'all? Bye-bye.